guys, for today's video, good news dahil pwede na po natin i-lock yung ating personal messenger. So, kagaya nito, ayan, punta tayo sa ating messenger, then click natin yung 3 lines sa taas. Then hanapin yung settings na icon. Then hanapin yung privacy and safety. Then, ayan, makita mo po yung app lock, tap mo po yan. Then, i-turn on mo po ito. So, may lalabas dyan yung kung may fingerprint ba yung cellphone mo or password. So, buksan mo lang yung cellphone mo and dito tayo dadalhin. So, ayan, na-open ko na siya, na-turn on ko na, and then lalabas po itong lock screen. Then, may pagpipilian po tayo dito kung after I leave Messenger or after 1 minute, 15 minutes, or 1 hour. So, ang pipiliin ko po is after I leave Messenger. So, automatic lock po siya. After I leave my messenger or patayin ko po yung cellphone. So, ayan, piliin po natin and then, ayun na, i-back mo na. Ayan, i-back natin. Ayan, patayin ko lang yung cellphone. Then, buksan ko yung messenger. So, ayan, may password na siya, guys, or passcode. So, depende po kung ano yung password ng cellphone mo. Automatic, ganun din po ang password or password ng messenger mo. So, ganun lang. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.